Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to configure Siri on your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Just a reminder, at the end of this video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So there are two ways you can initiate Siri. The first one is saying, "Hey Siri," and the second one is by pressing the side button here on your iPhone. So let me show you how to configure Siri for the first time. So first go into settings. Now scroll down and find Siri and search. Tap on it. And now there are two options here. Listen for Hey Siri and press side button for Siri. So I'll go ahead and enable Hey Siri. And as you can see, it's telling me enable Siri. Siri sends information like voice input, contacts, and location to Apple to process your request. So if you agree with that, go ahead and tap on Enable Siri. Now go through the setup process of configuring Siri. If you want to improve Siri and dictation, so go ahead and share audio recordings. Hey Siri. What is 2 plus 2?
The answer is 4.
And that is how to configure Siri on your iPhone 14 Pro Max. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.